Happy World is a very, very dear initiative to us, and personally I remember when we launched this activity with Christine's leadership, it was something which was largely a dream. But this dream was born out of this whole thesis of just not focusing on happy people, happy customers and happy shareholders. We said that people are creatures of the social system, they are citizens of their own nations, and they actually go back home into their communities. So can we do something in order to really bring the underprivileged people up into the social ladder and see whether we can contribute? So it is just not born out of a fashion of a CSR activity, which is corporate social responsibility. We said we will take this as a passion, and that's how this whole thing started. And I feel very happy that today a very large number of employees at Aegis the world over are actually participating with more than hundreds of non-profit organizations and making a significant difference to the life of people. How does it really help? It actually helps us enhance our brand equity with our customers, because this is the company that is just not focusing on the economic prosperity of their organization, they're also contributing to the social ecosystem and the emotional prosperity of the society at large. So we named it Happy World, which is to make this world a happier place to be. And the other part is that our employees, they come to work and spend a significant time of their vacant hours in the office, but when they go back home, they feel very proud that they belong to an ecosystem, an organization that is actually promoting and helping to make a difference to the people in the world at large. So starting from going and helping kids in Africa, to going and actually standing by some challenged people who are actually going through some motions during a tornado hit, or maybe just donating blood. All these are part of little activities, small things, not really economically savvy, but emotionally very profound. And that's what we want to do, is to change lives. So please participate. You will find that there's great fun in giving. And we believe that by giving, we will get more. More in terms of from our customers, more in terms of the happiness that you will have, and make this place a great place to work for. So once again, welcome to Happy World, and wish you all the very best and encourage you to participate. It's life-changing, it is very profound, and indeed very humbling.